Comparing the Big 4 companies, which is the best for you? Did you know that over 80% of Fortune 500 companies rely on the Big 4 for auditing and consulting? But which firm is right for you? Today, I'll be exploring the differences between the Big 4 firms, comparing their size, work culture, and salary so you can make the best career choice. Alright, first thing, what exactly are the Big 4? These are the 4 biggest professional services companies in the world: Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG. They provide auditing, tax consulting, and advisory services to major businesses worldwide. But while they might seem similar, each firm has its own unique culture and strengths. Number 1. Size comparison. Let's start with size. Deloitte is the largest of the 4 firms with an annual revenue of $50 billion. Next is PwC with $45 billion, EY with $40 billion, and KPMG with $32 billion. Now, all Big 4 firms offer similar services: consulting, audit, tax, and advisory. But each has its own unique strength. Deloitte is big on consulting. About 62% of its revenue actually comes from advisory work. So if you're into business strategy, management consulting, or solving big picture problems, Deloitte might just be your place. PwC leads the way in audit, assurance, and consulting. If you're someone who enjoys accounting, financial reporting, or keeping things in check, PwC could be a great fit. EY is known for its tax expertise and tech-driven finance solutions. So if you're curious about tax consulting or how finance meets technology, EY is definitely worth exploring. KPMG specializes in transaction advisory and corporate finance. If you're into mergers, acquisitions, or helping companies structure big deals, this could be the right playground for you. So depending on your career goals, each firm has something different to offer. Number 2, work culture. Before we move on, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Now, let's talk about work culture. All 4 firms are consistently ranked among the top choices for graduates. On Glassdoor, their ratings are pretty close. Most fall between 3.8 to 4 out of 5, with PwC and Deloitte slightly ahead. But let's break it down by what actual employees are saying. KPMG, people really appreciate the supportive work environment, collaborative teams, and even mention the aesthetic office spaces. PwC, known for having great people, flexible work setups, and a strong focus on learning and development. So if you care about growth and work-life balance, PwC is a solid pick. EY gets praise for its positive culture, healthy environment, and loads of learning opportunities. A great choice if you're looking to upskill and grow. Deloitte. Employees talk about the amazing work culture, helpful colleagues, and flexible working. If you want that balance between career growth and flexibility, Deloitte might just be the one. So all 4 firms have great things to offer. It just depends on what you value most. Now, let's look at the negative aspects. Work hours can be demanding, but that's expected in the top tier firms where you get to work with major clients. Compensation at an entry level is fairly standard across all firms, but the real growth happens as you gain experience. Despite these challenges, the Big 4 firms offer unmatched career growth, global exposure, and incredible learning opportunities. It's all about finding the right fit for your career goals. Salary and career growth. For entry-level positions, the Big 4 firms offer competitive salaries across all roles. In India, for example, an accountant's starting salary is around 8 to 10 per year. As you gain experience, salaries increase significantly. Here's an estimated progression. If you've got around 3 to 6 years of experience, you can expect to earn somewhere between 14 to 16 lakhs per year. And once you move into senior roles like manager or even partner, your salary can jump to 20 lakhs. To $500 million per year, or even more depending on your performance and the company. The key takeaway? The Big 4 offers not just high salaries but incredible career growth and global opportunities. If you're looking for long-term success in accounting, audit, or consulting, these firms can be a great choice. So which Big 4 company excites you the most? Comment below and let's discuss. And if you're thinking about how to crack Big 4 interviews, check out our next video. See you in the next one.